Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel GSM Tricks Updated. So today I want to show you the importance of having a schematic diagram tool. Yes, nowadays mobile phones are becoming very complicated. It means that if you don't have any schematic tool diagram, it will not be easy for you to repair any type of phone. Yeah, so let's jump in without delay. Yeah, here we have a picture. This picture is a picture of a motherboard of an Infinix Hot 20i. Yeah, suppose that a customer brings it to you and they told you that his phone is not ringing, or it is having a problem of camera, a problem of network, or any problem. Yes, so without a schematic diagram tool, it will not be easy for you. Yeah, as you see here, we saw few components. Yeah, somewhere there is some diodes. Here there is a small IC. Only what we are seeing is connectors. Yes, battery connector, fingerprint connector, and the LCD connector. Yes, these are what we are seeing. We are also seeing the touch here, even what, even antennas. These are antennas. Yes. Okay, so we can use our schematic tool to know what is under this shield. The shield is that metal that is covering some components on a motherboard. We have two shields. Shield number one is this one. Number three, and then number one, number two, and then number three. Under this shield, there are some components. Let's jump in our Borneo schematic diagram and see what is inside, what is under the shield. Yes, let's come in mobile phones section. There we go. Infinix folder. Infinix folder, we find our model Hot 20i. Open hardware solution and this section of component name. Yes, okay, we have to wait for it to be opened and then show you. Yes, you see here there are different components, different ICs, and their use, their name, and their use. Yes, their role, their function. Here we have this one. This is a CPU. This is CPU MT6762V. This is a CPU, and this is a RAM. Here it is mentioned RAM, and even here it's mentioned internal storage. Yes, what we called eMMC, embedded multimedia card. Yes, this is an internal storage. It has 64 GB. Yes, okay. Or many components are mentioned here. Yes, sorry. Okay, let's continue. So what I want to tell you is that it will be very difficult to fix a phone without a schematic. For example, if the customer said that his phone is not opening Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, in that case you have not to waste your time. You have to check in this area, every component in this area. Yes, let me show you in the hardware solution where is Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth and the GPS PDM. I'm opening it to show you how you will troubleshoot and fix the problem of Wi-Fi on Infinix Hot 20i. You see, to fix this problem, the problem of Wi-Fi, you have to check this part. Yes, you have to focus on this part. This IC is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. Another thing that you have to know is that if that IC is damaged, even the radio will not be used. And then sometimes the sharing of data is not possible. You cannot use Extender or any app that is used for data transfer will not work. Yes, I would like to show you. To troubleshoot this part, you have to check these voltages. This app needs 3 lines of voltage. The first one is here. This line is called VSN 18 PMU. VCN 18 PMU. It means that it comes with the 1.8 voltage to supply here on this line, this part number 40. Yeah, then another voltage is VSN 2.8. This voltage comes to supply voltage to this IC. Yeah, we can know it when you open here. I will open it there and see what about this IC, how about it, how it is called. Yes, another voltage is VCN 33 Wi-Fi Bluetooth. Yes, okay. If one of this voltage is missing, there will be a problem of Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, even the GPS will not work. Yes, until now I think that you have already realized the importance of having a schematic tool diagram. Yes, okay. So if you are not subscribed to our channel, try to do it in order not to miss any update from us. Yes, so sometimes customers can tell you that their phones are not showing images, or there is no luminosity. Yes, okay, you have to look for where is light LCD light or LCD. Yes, let me show you LCD light. You open the section of LCD light. Yes, you have to wait for it to be opened, then we show you what we are saying, the importance of having a schematic diagram tool. Yeah, as you see, without a schematic you will never know that this line passes through these resistors until here on the backlight IC. This is the backlight IC, this is the coil, this is the diode, and the DC is a capacitor. Yeah, this is a coil. And there's some mobile phone repairs do not how to distinguish how to differentiate these components. On this side, yes, on this side there are many components. You have to know use of one of the components found in this area. Yes, in this area we find capacitor, resistor, diode, ICs, and inductors, what we call coils. Yeah, so to troubleshoot such problem of backlight IC, or yes, of backlight problem, if there is no image, there is no light on your screen, it means that there is a problem somewhere in this section. Yes, okay, we can continue. Sure. show you how to troubleshoot the problem of large not of LCD. If there is no image on your screen, sometimes you can get right on your screen but no image, and then sometimes you can also get images without any right on the screen. Yeah, so to troubleshoot it, you have to use your schematic diagram and see what is the problem. Yeah, you will take your multimeter and check all these lines. All these lines must have values. Yes, must have resistance. Yes, this one about 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 8 10 11 12 and 14 even 16. These lines must have what? These lines must have resistance or voltages. It depends on what line. Yeah, for example, this line must have 0. No, it must have 2.8 volts. If you measure this line with the multimeter, you should get this voltage. There is another line that is having, that is called VIO 18 PMU. This line is coming from the power management IC, the PMU, and then it comes to supply the voltage to the to this coil. Yeah, and this graphic IC. Yes, this is how you will use the schematic diagram tool. Remember that we are dealing with the Infinix Hot 20i. Yes, so let me open the bitmap. In the bitmap we will get the we will get the image of the motherboard for the front side and then the back side. Yes, on this section they show you how components are related, are connected, yes, between them. Yeah, so let me show you what we were saying about LCD light. Yeah, remember that we said that this is a backlight IC. If this IC that is damaged, you will not get will not get light on our screen. Yes. Mhm. To fix it, you have to check any any pin here. Yes, let me zoom it. Yeah, for example, uh, this is the backlight IC. This is the VBAT. It is supplied the voltage of the battery. Yeah, if your phone needs 4.2 volts to work, you will also get 4.2 volts on this pad. Yes, there is another one, maybe this one. No, let me see. Yes. Okay, this line, this is display power management. Yes, then even this line on this section, they will show you where is this part or this point is taking the signal or the voltage. Yes, as you see here, this line comes from the CPU, and comes to here. Yes, we are going to see how every component is connected to another one. For example, this line is connected to this capacitor and this inductor. When you see PR, this means it means that this is a coil or an inductor. Yeah, okay. If we click here, we get all components connected together with this line. Yeah, from here here and there. Here in this section, they show us how components are related, are connected between them. Some of them are connected in series, and the others are connected in parallel. Yes, for example, this led number one and the led two are connected in parallel. Yes. Let me show you things that are connected in series. When a component is connected with another one in series, it means that the positive line and the negative line are connected together. Yes. Okay, I would like to show you this today. This was an introduction to these two called the Borneo Schematics and Hardware Solutions. I recommend you to buy this tool because it will help you to fix different problems. As you have seen it, it has many solutions. This is a section of hardware solution. In it we find back camera, back camera charger data. If your phone is not charging, you have to open this, to open here and watch the lines of charging. Yeah, okay. So if you are not subscribed to our channel, try to do it now. They enjoy our knowledges. Yes. Okay. If your phone is not charging, you have to check this line. Yes, this is VBus line. You have to check where it is going. Yes, this line is from the charger. When it arrives here, yes, these two ICs will generate some voltages. Sometimes they increase or decrease the voltage. Okay, this is how we troubleshoot charging weights, charging data. You see that without this tool, it will be not easy for you to repair any type of problem on your motherboard. Yes. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We are going to show you many tricks on this tool. This tool is helping many people, many hardware engineers to get more money. The reason why I recommend you to buy it in order to enjoy what others are enjoying. Yes. Okay, bye bye. Ciao.